Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. It is a kind of a chilly morning. It got down to around 48, 49 last night. You can see Hunter and I, we had a little yard camp out and we burnt the stump. We had a stump here we were wanting to burn. So we started it. Uh-oh, raindrops. I gotta go get my computer out of there because we watched The Amazing Spider-Man last night from the tent on the computer, but it's raining. So what our plans are today, I'm gonna unload those big posts that I got from Dutch's, as you guys saw in his video, and I'm gonna go to my brother-in-law's, and I got a tiller I'm getting. So then we're gonna try to run over this garden before it rains. This wind is picking up. We need to get the anchor, that big battery, out of there. So we got it moved. The bad stuff's not supposed to come till this evening. Chance of hail and thunderstorms, but we're gonna go get this trailer unloaded. Oh man, these are all there. Well, we made it back, got the tiller. It started within like 2 or 3 pulls, so pretty excited about that. But looking at the garden right now, I think it's going to be too wet, but we're going to get this off here and I'm going to try it and just see what happens.
I was gonna come watch you play. We'll go down the slide.
Well, I was able to get some of it tilled, as y'all saw. It is too moist probably. It's harder on the tiller and it's harder to work through the mud and cakes up on your boots and kind of just makes it tough. But you can see here I got it worked up pretty good here. But I'm probably going to give it a few days, let it dry out, turn it up again, and then we're going to plant potatoes again right here in the same spot as we did last year. We really need to get them in the ground soon. Last year we already had them in the ground this time of year, but just for whatever reason, I just wasn't able to get it done yet. So we got this done here. We'll run over it again, we'll cross till it, probably middle of the week when it dries out, and then we will we'll put some taters in the ground. What we need to do now, we need to get this tent put up.
No, we're not.
What?
We're gonna take a nap first.
Taking a nap?
Yeah.
Blocks the wind in here.
Yeah.
Is it comfy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have slept on here.
Yeah, that's. I'm right here where you're. It's not that comfy.
Go take a nap.
That's not that comfy right there.
How are you gonna take a nap?
Oh.
Whew, my goodness, the wind is
Cold.
It's picked up. It's gotten cold, hasn't it? It's supposed to get warmer today, like close to 60, but I don't think it's gonna get here. Well, I got the log hooked up the best I could. The only place that I could get up under that log and get the chain through. I got it cinched as tight as I can get it. Hopefully, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drag it to the back side of this garden right here, and so we can burn it again, and then use those ashes to rake over the garden if we get it burnt before we plant the whole thing. So right now I just want to get it off the garden, so that's what I'm going to try to do. Hopefully the chain holds. Hopefully I don't end up breaking the back glass. Hopefully this goes good. Stay tuned and find out. I doubt it, but you can go, here, take this just in case.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Do you guys think there's a snake? Drop it down in the comments. I'm giving a 50-50 chance. I'm not so sure.
Your shoes, bro. You can't be in those ashes like that. Mama is going to tan your hide. You know
I know where my
Do you know
butt
what that means?
I don't want to even know, but I do.
Try to guess what tan your hide means.
Boom!
Oh yeah.
I've been looking for that.
Huddy,
Where was this at, Grandma?
Huddy, you got ears. Alrighty, we're about done on this video, about to get it wrapped up, and then I'm gonna head inside the shop and I'm gonna tinker with the old Ford a little bit. Got it back, got it running, but I need to change the water pump on it. It's leaking, so I can't just go driving it. So I'm gonna take it off, and the water pump that's on the 302 that we took out is still good, so I may just swap it over this evening. Or I thought, you know, it's a 79 302. Why risk it? Why not just go buy one? You can get them relatively cheap for about 50 or 60 bucks. So may go that route, but I'm going to take it off and go take it to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and get it matched up to make sure I get the right one. So I got to do that, and the fuel tank needs replaced. It is just full of nasty stuff, rust particles, soot, just not good. If I run it, it's just going to continue to cause more trouble. So I'm going to drop the fuel tank and order a brand new rear tank. I'm going to do away with the front tank on it so I can have true duals ran on this thing. But it sounds amazing. Without exhaust on it. So with the 351, it's an inch difference. So I'm going to have to get new exhaust ran through it. We had to cut some exhaust off to get it, so to get the motor on. So yeah, luckily my buddy down the road, Sean, which they watch these videos, if you're watching it, I'm going to need some duals ran on this 79 Ford. So I'll be getting in contact with you pretty soon as I get that stuff done, and I'll drive it down and let you make her sound purty. Alright, Lindy's pulling the Tahoe over. We got some chicken feed in there. Gonna let the chickens out and roam. Gonna fill up their feed bins, and then I think that's it. I'm trying to talk Lindy into shooting her video today, but she said she's got other stuff in store for you guys, so make sure you check out her next video. I really think you guys are gonna like it. Ah! Now I know some of y'all are gonna say, what are you doing feeding this Tractor Supply feed? Well, Orson was out of their feed, so though I may not get the amount of eggs I would like, or maybe they changed it and it's all good now, I don't know. Either way, this is the feed I had to get, so I got a bag of it until we can get some other stuff. Where have you been all day?
Paige's house.
Oh, Paige's house, huh?
We had way fun camping, making s'mores on the fire.
Making s'mores. We made s'mores.
I did it. Mama told me everything you guys did.
Oh.
Now we have a little kind of sort of pond.
Kind of, sort of.
Kind of sort of pond thing.
Alright guys, well that was kind of long overdue. They both needed cleaned out. Give the four, I guess now I was going to say animals, give Thor some fresh water. The chickens actually, when we let them out, they do hop up on the side. No, not yet. They do hop up on the side and use it to drink out of. So we got them cleaned out, got the garden tilled a little bit, need to let it dry out some more. Got the log hauled off. Yeah, just actually a pretty productive day, and it's only like a little after noon. So, yeah, well, that's all we got on today's video. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at Morehead Homestead, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless.